This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin device to its app. First, ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth is active and you have a reliable internet connection. Next, verify your Garmin device has at least a 25% battery charge. This helps prevent interruptions during setup. We will then guide you through each step, making the process smooth and straightforward for you to begin tracking your activities. Begin by downloading the Garmin Connect app from your device's app store. It is available for both Apple and Android phones. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or sign in using your existing Garmin credentials. You will need to grant the app essential permissions, like Bluetooth access and location services, to ensure full functionality. This initial setup is crucial for seamless operation. Now, let's prepare your Garmin device for connection. Power it on if it is currently off, then navigate through its main menu to locate the settings. Look for an option specifically labeled Bluetooth or Pairing. Activate the pairing mode on your device. This typically involves selecting an option like Pair Phone or New Device, making it discoverable. After breaking the shulker box and seeing it drop, the most crucial step is to disconnect from the world. This must be done within approximately 1 second of the shulker box dropping. Press the Save and Quit button or force close the application, depending on your platform. The timing is vital because the game needs to register the shulker box being broken, but not fully save your inventory state after it is dropped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.